Let's rock, baby.
Devil May Cry. Devil May Cry.
2 millenniums ago, there was a war between the human world and the other, the underworld. But somebody from the underworld woke up to justice and stood up against this legion alone. His name was Sparta. Later, he quietly reigned the human world and continued to preserve harmony until his death. He became a legend. The legendary Dark Knight, Sparta.
Devil May Cry. Sorry, we closed at 9. Again, no password. I can't seem to get any real business. Whoa, slow down, babe. Well, well, what do we have here? Nature calls? It's in the back.
So, you must be the handyman who'll take any dirty job. Am I correct?
Almost. I only take special jobs, if you know what I mean.
You're the man who lost a mother and a brother to evil 20 years ago. The son of the legendary Dark Knight Sparta, Mr. Dante.
Well, the way I figure it, in this business a lot of your kind comes around. And if I kill each one that comes, eventually I should hit the jackpot sooner or later.
In that case, you should be used to this sort of thing.
Are you really the son of the legendary Dark Knight Sparta? Didn't your daddy teach you how to use a sword?
Sword. Time to go to work, guys. Even as a child, I had powers. There's demonic blood in me.
What strength?
You were the first one to know about my vengeance. Looks like I'm getting closer.
It seems that way, but I'm not your enemy. My name is Trish. I came here to seek your help, to put an end to the underworld.
What?
Years ago, Mundus, the Emperor of the Underworld, resurrected.
Mundus?
Yes. His powers were sealed by Sparta. He's attempting to gain control of the human world once again. He has been preparing to open the gate on Malay Island. The castle is above this cliff. Come on, let's go! Ha!
Hello guys, this is CLUMSY Gamer here. I welcome you all and I hope you guys will enjoy the gameplay and the upcoming ones. So Now let's begin with our first gameplay series. And I know most of you must be knowing which one it is. One of the most popular game of all times. That is Devil May Cry DMC. So with the entry of the Dante in the show, let's begin. Yellow Orb, a sacred stone that brings back life after death. Okay. So here we go to the castle. Towards the castle we are going. Yeah, we got the mission first. Curse of the Bloody Puppets. Break the evil spell and open the cursed door. Okay, let's begin. And we got trapped here. Just like that. Also known as the fragment of light, but it's only 1/4 of the whole piece. When it becomes whole, it will have the power to increase the viability's maximum limit. Okay. Red stone used to unlock new skills and doors. To acquire new skills, you must offer the stones to the god of time. Cool. What is this? Statue of a knight who's living for a god. Okay. With the divine forces, yeah, whatever. This door is sealed shut. A sticky may help. Okay. Let's look for that key. The other door seems to be sealed also. Sealed. We need to open that first. God knows and remembers all of the past. Cool. The words of this god are engraved. Those who desire to acquire the ancient ways of war shall offer the blood of monster in exchange. Wow. It is not responding. It would be better. See the door beneath here first. Okay. So we need to unseal the door beneath it. That's the red one seal having. Let's continue. of blue orb. Let's continue. Oh, we break all the four. Upstairs we are going. What's here? A ladder. There is a ladder, but the lid is closed and I can't go through. Okay, it is closed for now. What's here? There are 3 openings to insert something. Okay. One seems like there is nothing. We have to go up. Then let's move up. We got the key, we have to go to that door to use the key. Now we are going downstairs, we are here. Use the rusty key, okay? Of the things, it hasn't been repaired in a long time. Okay, it doesn't look it's going to fly. What is it? Seems like, oh wow. And we got another fragment. Lighter. In the basement seems like. acid stone that revitalizes energy as soon as you can reciprocate. Let's collect the red orbs and move on. Off the field again. Now let's move on. Hey, yeah. I hope you enjoyed the first mission of Devil May Cry gameplay we just completed, and thank you all for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe and share the video. Thanks guys. I will be continuing it with the next mission on the next video. Hope you all guys will watch that too and the upcoming ones. Thank you all for watching. Bye bye.